Alright, g'day everyone. Downtown Nashville, Nash Vegas tonight. Over here you can see the neon signs. People are arriving, starting to party. We're going to take you on a little bit of a tour. It is cold here, and you're going to see the sights and sounds of Nashville, Music City, USA. Peace out, Lucas was here. Alright, the awesome thing about Nashville downtown is on every single street corner there's music, live music, bars everywhere. So we're going to take a bit of a stroll, and you'll get to see some of the great music that's going on. Alright, check it. It's going to get rowdy.
What's going on?
There's people everywhere. Look, every bar, lots of great music. You see how friendly everyone is? They're all waving to you, smiling as you go along. They're like, hey, welcome.
Southern hospitality.
Southern hospitality here in Nashville. You can't go wrong. All right, let's check out some more stuff.